Hello from the future. So real quickly before we get into the video, I wanted to share with you guys what I have on my nails today. I want to thank Essie for sponsoring this video. I tried their Expressi line and the shade ranges are so pretty and so unique. I decided to go with one color on each fingernail. I've been seeing this trend go on and I've never done this before on my nails, but this is how it looks. The colors are actually like, I would never wear green or mustard or blue on my nails, but the tones of these shades are so pretty and I love the way they turned out. And the best part is that they literally dry in minutes. As soon as I applied them, and I did it at home, it was quick and easy. It literally took me 5 minutes to do it and a few minutes to dry my nails and I was out and about. We all already know we love Essie nail polish, and this new formula is so convenient and easy to use, especially with the brush application. So definitely give it a shot if you guys are looking for a quick, easy application at home and some beautiful color ranges. So thank you so much again, Essie, for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are finally going to be organizing my entire makeup collection. I've been waiting for this day for months. I'm not even joking. I have no idea why it's taken me this long to finally find a day to just sit down and organize my entire collection. So you guys may or may not know, but I'm currently, and this has been something that I've been working on for, I would probably say, it's very embarrassing to say, almost a year, that I've transformed this room to be my filming room slash makeup room slash closet slash home office. Yes, so this is like an all-in-one where I do everything, and it's been taking me really long to finally finish this room. I've been switching things around multiple times. I can't make up my mind. It's not a huge room, so I'm trying to make it pretty, but at the same time, you know, make it useful for everything that I need to do in this room. So in today's video, we are gonna be finally organizing the makeup portion of this room. So I so far have decided that I'm going to be organizing my makeup in these pack systems. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of people switching their makeup collection and putting them into these pack system. So I have one pack system right here, and my makeup is all over the place. I have some stored right in this pack system. I have some stored in this like cart wheel situation. I have some in my, what is it, the mall IKEA desk drawer. You guys know which one, it's from IKEA. And then I have some stored in my Alex drawer. So I basically have them everywhere. And for this room setup, I feel like the best way to place my makeup, I mean, I really still don't know how I'm gonna organize my entire makeup collection, but it's definitely gonna be, first we're gonna start with this pack system right here. We're going to be putting all my makeup mainly in this area. I do want to make it pretty and I do want to make it useful, so we'll see how that goes. But if you guys do see my room setup, and I don't want to show you my entire room setup just yet because that is going to be, it's still in the works and I want to do a beauty room tour, but there's like these two sections in the room where it's like, if the pack system fits perfectly in there. So ideally it would be great if I can do these two pack system where I store all of my makeup collection. So let's just go through it together. I have no idea where I'm going to start, but let's just begin. Before we get started with the video, if you guys are new here, I would love it if you can hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's begin by showing you guys how the current situation looks like. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you this table, but just keep in mind that every time I film, whether it's an Instagram tutorial or a makeup video, every YouTuber's desk looks like this, but mine looks extra crazy just because I don't have any of my makeup collection organized, so they've just been piling and piling on top of this table for months now. I'm just being real. So let's just begin. We have a bunch of makeup here that needs to be organized. I have no idea where yet. And then, you know, here's like just a bunch of skincare stuff. So we need to organize this section. We also have the good old Alex drawers. I don't know what's up here. We have numbing cream. I got this thing off of Home Goods a while back thinking, you know, it would look cute for lashes to store all my lashes, but I don't really like the way it looks. So we'll see what we're gonna do. We have some cute book decoration here. We have some hairspray, jewelry, like God knows what's in here. And again, this has been in the works for so long of me organizing my makeup collection. So I've been moving things around like temporarily, and just this is where I have things temporarily. So I have a bunch of eyeshadows here. I mean, this is just a mess. This is a bunch of everything that all needs to be organized. So over here we have a mirror that used to belong to my old vanity, but I also have this other mirror here, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do with two mirrors. I think this drawer needs to go, and I need to get a bigger one. This is too thin for me, so I definitely need to get like a bigger table to film and be able to store more stuff. But I'm first gonna start with this pack system. This is where I'm gonna store most of my makeup. So I have a bunch of like palettes and things here. Obviously have jewelry and glasses here that don't belong here that I need to find a home to, so we'll figure that out later. And a bunch of more makeup here. I started first, this was organized by the way, like literally like this. And I had my lipsticks and lip glosses here, but then I'm like, no, I don't know if I really like that. So we're gonna figure out another way to store the lipsticks. This is where my jewelry organization was, you know, after I gave up organizing because I was like in the process of moving things around, and I was like, I'll do it later. Now you find earrings with bracelets and necklaces mixed with watches, but I don't think they belong with the makeup. So we might move it to like there if all my makeup can fit here. So I bought like so far these two like clear drawers. I bought a bunch of these to organize my makeup with. I still don't know how, but we're gonna figure it out together. I think what I'm gonna do is organize it section by section. So like all my skincare I'm gonna put in this bucket, and then like all my hair care divided on one side, all my makeup divided on the other side. Once I have that done, then I can slowly start putting each category in its drawer. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna start with is placing all my eyeshadows in this little thin IKEA pull-out drawer thing. I think these are meant for like jewelry and like sunglasses and things like that. But I feel like for eyeshadow palettes, it'd be perfect to just place them here.
Here we go again, fucking on my head, staying home and getting stoned instead. I know that I shouldn't, I can't prioritize. I keep messing up things, I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my head, gone.
Guys, so I think what I'm gonna do now is start getting these boxes. You'll find these in IKEA in the organizing closet section. They come in different sizes. So I'm going to start with category by category. I think I'm gonna start with like foundation and just organize them in these sections, and concealers, bronzers, blushes, setting sprays, you know, all that jazz. I also need to figure out at this point where I'm gonna be placing my skincare. Am I gonna put it with the makeup here? Am I gonna put it in the other pack system? Am I gonna put it in the Alex drawers? I really have no idea. I mean, I don't have crazy amount of foundation to where I'm gonna make this entire thing for foundation. So it would look kind of weird. Just if I had a crazy amount, then it'd be nice to just put it all like so. But since this is probably gonna be like foundation, setting spray, primer, and concealer drawer, it's just gonna look awkward if they're just placed like that without like these boxes. So let's just put them in these boxes.
Fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault and no one else. Cause I worry what they think of me. Got me wasting all my energy.
I clearly love this setting spray a little too much.
Leave the window open, my bones do shake.
I think something like this would be great for concealer. This primer, you guys, the Tatcha Silk Canvas, so good. guys, look at this. I literally only got to wear it like a couple times and it shattered in the hotel room one day, and I didn't want to get rid of it because I love the colors. The middle one is still pretty good, so I think we can at least use the middle one and just clean up this entire mess. Also, any decluttering that's ever done, wipes is very, very necessary. Get some wipes. Well, at least one blush is still alive, so I'm gonna keep that. What the hell? This, you guys, is supposed to be like a wet look glittery eyeshadow, and literally look at this. Oh my god. Do you guys see this? It's like a rock. All right, I think that's time to go. These eyeshadow palettes are by Alter Ego. They are really pretty colors. I think they create like dupes. Like this one looks like the Huda Beauty Nude palette. So I have these like little samples, you know, when you order from like Sephora, they get you these little samples to try out, or if you're like trying to test a color. All these little samples, I'm going to place them in this jar. And then it'd be great to use for like travel. If you don't want to get your full-sized foundation, it'd be great to get that with you. So I'm going to put all the little samples in like something like this. That way if I'm traveling, I can just choose out of this bucket. Okay, I think what I want to do now, before I finish organizing all the makeup, I want to remove this entire thing. I still don't know what I want to do in this top section, whether I want to leave those 3 shelves. Probably not. I do have this mirror that I kind of want to place here as like a design or like a decor, but we're going to remove all the sunglasses, all the accessories, anything that's not makeup related. I'm just going to remove it out of here and then see what we're going to do with this section. If you guys want to see how I'm going to organize my jewelry and glasses, let me know and I can do another video of how I'm going to organize all of this, because we definitely need to organize it. We have an Energy C up in here. I don't know what that's doing there. Is this even like best before May 2018? Trash for sure. I'm just going to, oh, you guys, we have 1,000 lira. This is Lebanese money. This is probably worth $1. No, way less than $1. No, this is like 25 cents or 50 cents. 4 of these makes $1, I believe. Great. I don't know what that's doing here, but moving on. All right, we're just gonna do this. This, you guys, is my mom's Versace belt. It's broken, and I've been wanting to fix it. I don't know where the other part is. It's like somewhere in my jewelry tray. It's so pretty. It's supposed to be a belt, and I saved it because I want to fix it and wear it. It's so trendy. I love it. I caught you off guard. You falling real hard. Want you to tell me that you're mine. Oh my god. I've been looking for this necklace. Okay, so this definitely does not go together layered, but we're gonna keep it like that. I kind of like it. So drink it up. Alright guys, this is my thoughts. So I want to place this mirror here. I think I either have to remove this shelf or remove this shelf. And show you guys what I'm talking about. I did break some of the bulbs in here, I'm not gonna lie. So, let's see. Is it gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Oh my god. No, it's not. Alright, we have to put the shelf down a little bit. But that was my thought of like placing it there and then placing some cute like makeup in front of it. I really have no use of this mirror anymore in this room, so I figured that'd be like a nice little decor. Alright, I gotta get a screwdriver up in here and make this a little lower so the mirror can fit. Be right back.
Keep messing up things, I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho.
Meanwhile,
Always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault.
Alright guys, so we adjusted the shelving. Let's pray that this was enough space for this mirror.
Self-sabotage.
Okay, so it fits, which is great. It gives it like a nice little touch, you know. Now the question is, how the hell would I make this fit the wall outlet so that way it turns on and it looks prettier? I don't know if there's like a little hole.
But they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go.
Does this thing even still work? I don't even know if it works.
This shit's always my fault.
Okay, so it works, except 3 bulbs are broken. Do you see? It kind of gives it like a nice little vibe. I just don't like how this cord is hanging out here. So I might have to do like a hole in the back of this pack system and just plug it from the back. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do to make it look aesthetically pleasing. Guys, you won't believe what I just did. I literally cut a hole with some scissors in the back of this IKEA pack system. It's kind of embarrassing. Can you guys see it? Right there. I cut this hole up. That way I can fit the cord in here and take it from the back. Or you can actually just take this entire thing off, but I was too lazy to do that. Alright guys, so I got the mirror to work. It is now showing nicely. And the plug, I literally took it from the side and put like an adapter so that way it wasn't like hanging from here, and I like it. I was able to replace 2 bulbs. This one still needs to be replaced. So this is how this looks so far. I really like how it gives like a nice glow. I still don't know what to do with this little shelf here, so I have to figure it out. And obviously I want to decorate this top part nicely. I still don't know what, but it's in the works. I still have a lot to do, you guys. So I'm just going to get going and finish organizing everything. The skincare, the entire makeup. If you guys see my room right now, I still have all of this laying down right here. The Alex drawer I haven't touched. There is still a lot to be done, but at least we are one step closer. So I'm gonna get going and finish everything, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. That will be my full makeup collection reveal, if you will, showing you guys how I ended up finishing my entire makeup collection, organizing it, all that kind of good stuff. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me as I organized. It's gonna be a long night. I still have a lot to do. I doubt that I'm gonna finish today, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.